Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, has risen to become the largest chipmaker globally, a position that reflects decades of strategic vision and innovation. But how did this once small Taiwanese firm outpace giants like Intel and Samsung? Founded in 1987, TSMC introduced the groundbreaking pure-play foundry model. This meant that instead of designing its own chips, TSMC would manufacture semiconductors exclusively for other companies. This strategy proved to be a game-changer, as tech giants like Apple, Nvidia, and Qualcomm looked for reliable partners to produce their cutting-edge chips. TSMC's business soared. One of TSMC's most significant advantages has been its relentless focus on advancing process technology. The company was the first to commercialize the 7nm and 5nm chip processes, putting it years ahead of competitors. This technological edge allowed TSMC to secure contracts with some of the biggest names in tech, further consolidating its dominance in the industry. Another critical factor in TSMC's rise was its ability to navigate and even benefit from geopolitical tensions. While US-China trade disputes have hurt many companies, TSMC's strategic importance has made it indispensable to both Western and Asian markets. With over 50% of the world's semiconductor market share, TSMC has become the backbone of the global tech industry. Moreover, TSMC's commitment to massive investments in research and development, exceeding billions of dollars annually, ensures that it remains at the forefront of chip innovation. This investment is critical as the demand for semiconductors continues to grow, driven by emerging technologies like AI, 5G, and electric vehicles. In 2023, TSMC's revenue surpassed $69 billion, making it the world's most valuable semiconductor company. But TSMC isn't resting on its laurels. The company is already investing in the next generation of chip technologies, including 3nm and 2nm processes, ensuring its leadership in the industry for years to come. The rise of TSMC isn't just a business success story, it's a testament to how strategic foresight, innovation, and a relentless focus on core competencies can transform a company into a global powerhouse.